Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the device has either stopped responding or has been disconnected. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to try to reconnect your device that you have problem with and check if the problem solved or not. Method 2, try to use another USB port in your laptop or PC and change the cable with another original one and check if the problem solved or not. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. In device manager you just need to expand the universal serial bus controllers and you just need to right click on these drivers one by one and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the correct driver and select next. And now select close. Do the same for other USB drivers under here. After doing it, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. Method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Now you just need to check my video description for this run command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in the run command and click on OK. Select advanced and check mark apply repairs automatically and select next. After getting done, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.